So
get back on the rails.
we had a little bit of a delivery earlier this week.
The referee.
Yes.
Yes.
Of a much anticipated addition to the Bachmann narrow gauge range. These are the Talyllyn locomotives. They are all the same locomotive,
No, they're not.
just in different eras.
What do you mean?
What do I mean? Sorry, the Talyllyn Railway in Wales, which is still
You've
the
been
current
practicing
railways.
that, haven't you?
I have, because it's
Talyllyn.
Talyllyn. It's Welsh, so you got to like really emphasize it.
Not a single vowel there. Oh, yes, there is. There's an A.
It's all vowels. This is their locomotive, which, if you are a fan of Thomas the Tank Engine,
Which
is...
you know that I am.
Oh, so which locomotive is this from the Thomas series?
The blue one.
It's not even blue, right?
No, this one's red, but in Thomas it's painted blue, isn't it?
No.
And it's in the blue livery.
No.
Emily.
No. This is in the Thomas universe. This is Scarloey, which Bachmann have done previously. And to be honest, I have a Scarloey, and I picked up the green one of these during the week. They are almost identical. It's a little bit more detail. It's a little bit nicer. It's got all the paneling, all the line work.
Doesn't have much valve gear inside.
No, I mean, they're pretty basic locomotives in the real world.
Good runners.
Yeah, good runner.
Yeah.
They are DC, but you can DCC fit them, but it has to be a hardwired decoder.
Can you put a sound box in there?
I've got sound in mine.
No.
Yeah, there's enough room in the cab here.
Really?
That I've got now. I didn't install it. I got a friend to do it because I'm not this talented. We've got keep alives in ours because ours is a DCC, and the speaker mounted into the cab. I then got some figures, painted them, and put them in there, and you can't tell there's anything in there. So because this does lack a fair bit of cab detailing, it's easy to hide all that stuff in there pretty well. But no, lovely model. These have come out under the Bachmann USA brand as opposed to Bachmann Europe, which is interesting. So
why would they do that?
I actually have no idea whatsoever. I think it has to do with Thomas because these did come out under the Thomas range originally. It does make me wonder because they've also written on them.
They would have had all the toolings for them as well.
I guess so, because they've written on it HOn30, which is not wrong. I mean, they're very little locomotives in the real world, and I'm not going to say that they're out of scale, but
N30, isn't it 009?
It depends which country you're in.
Australia.
Then there's... Well, if these were an Australian prototype, let's say someone did Puffing Billy in this scale, it would be HOn30.
Oh,
you would do it to HOn30, because if you did 009, it would technically be overscale. But it's all semantics, though. Like, no one really minds. But they also
I'm a real stickler for rivet counting.
Oh, I know. They also did some carriages with it, which are...
Can I tell you a fun fact about these?
Yeah, go on. I wonder what it could be.
Do you? Do you know?
I might know. Is it because I told you?
No.
Okay.
I heard it on the grapevine.
Oh, go on. What's some interesting information about
They've only got doors on one side.
That's correct. That is spot on.
And they can't turn them around because of that.
Well, they can turn around. It's just no one will be getting off.
Well, get out onto the track.
Get onto the track. They're only little. You wouldn't go too far.
Why not?
I don't know.
You could run them from here to the showgrounds.
Sure.
But the platforms would be on different sides.
But I suppose so.
They would.
Yes.
I've proven it.
Oh, that's good.
I caught the tape the other day and the platform's on the other side. I went in one door and exited the other door.
Oh, beautiful. That's fun.
You'd struggle on that.
You would. But no, these have been a very nice release. Very happy with them.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Great runners.
Good little runner. Bit of fun. I think they're a good model to have.